Hello family, today we bring you a great video about the importance of onions in our lives. Onions are a universal herb, consumed in all regions of the world. There are several varieties, some of which are particularly rich in antioxidants. The onion is a member of the Alliaceae family and, like garlic, it is believed to have certain health benefits. Finally, onions are a source of vitamin C. The role that onions play in the body goes beyond their antioxidant properties. They also contribute to the health of bones, cartilage, teeth and gums. In addition, it protects against infections, promotes the absorption of iron from plants and accelerates healing. I am pleased to present you the 5 benefits of purple onion in your life, and for your health it is recommended to consume a lot of onions. The benefits of onions. Number 1. Prevention of certain cancers. Eating 1 to 7 servings of onion per week reduces the risk of colon, larynx, and ovarian cancer. In addition, there is a lower risk of cancer of the esophagus, oral cavity, and pharynx with an intake of 7 or more portions of onion per week. Onions may act at different stages of cancer development. Number 2. Cardiovascular health. Onions contain compounds that act on different cardiovascular risk factors. Onions are known for their ability to decrease platelet aggregation in vitro, although this activity is 13 times lower than that of garlic. It should be noted that the aggregation of platelets in the blood increases the risk of thrombosis and, by the same token, of cardiovascular diseases. In humans, the daily consumption of approximately 220 g of cooked onion for 2 weeks did not show any positive effect on platelet aggregation. Number 3. Strong antioxidant power. Antioxidants are compounds that protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that are believed to be involved in the development of cardiovascular disease, certain cancers, and other diseases associated with aging. Red onion varieties generally have a higher antioxidant content and antioxidant activity than light-colored onion varieties. Number 4. Excellent source of selenium. Selenium is an essential trace element for the body. This bioelement intervenes in the body through numerous metabolic reactions. It is a powerful antioxidant that is able to detoxify the body from heavy metals and to preserve the heart. However, selenium intake must be carefully controlled because of its potential toxicity. Like broccoli and garlic, onions have the ability to accumulate selenium from the soil, leading to the formation of selenium-containing compounds. Although it is difficult to quantify their benefits, these substances may contribute to onions' protective effect against cancer. Number 5. Fight insomnia. Red onion is able to reduce insomnia and relax muscles thanks to another supplement called Polato, which is able to reduce excess homocysteine. Homocysteine is a substance that prevents certain nutrients from reaching the brain, which causes the brain, causing fatigue, and which in turn stimulates the production of serotonin, which is the key to a good mood. It has always emphasized the usefulness of seeking alternative ways to be able to maintain a good state of health. In this case, purple onion offers multiple benefits and is even able to prevent the manifestation of the worst diseases. Do not forget to consult a specialist before putting these tips into practice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell in order to stay informed for the next videos.